Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 SLT quad cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright silver, looks great. You do also have that chrome grille up front there with your chrome bumper. You do also have your halogen lights there with your fog lights down there. And coming around the side here we do have our tires, the Cooper brand tires. They look fantastic. You do also have 17 trims on them. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there with the turning signals, and you do also have your running boards along the bottom. Coming around to the back, we got a 6-foot box back here. We also have the SLT badging. We have our Ram badging, the 4x4, and then we do have a chrome bumper with dual exhaust pipes back here as well. Open this guy up. Lots and lots of room back here. Looks fantastic. You also got the spray and box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we got our panic button up there as well as our remote start. Now let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here you got electric mirrors, windows, and locks. You also got your handle here, and you do have the control over your mirrors. Got your handle here, some storage, and more down here with a place for water bottle. Looks fantastic in here as well. The two-tone seats are very nice and comfortable. You got the controls over the seats here, so backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support. And then up here we got the controls over the lights, so the auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our fog lights there, and in-cabin light control here. And then right up here we do have the controls over our turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. We also have our battery and oil life just up there. Now we can see how many kilometers we have, which is 2,084. That is pretty much nothing. Also what channel we're on, the temperature outside, and which way we're facing. We can switch that around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B. We have our audio, our stored messages, screen setup, and back to the speedometer. That is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And around the back of the steering wheel, you got a volume up and down with a source changer. Right in the center, we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so you have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as your media tab if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Phone option, your options here for your heated seats and heated steering wheel, your mirror dimmer and all those. You got your Uconnect apps here, your climate control. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You can turn the menu off right there, and you also got your phone options right over there. Down here we got the controls over our gear shift, so you just put your foot on the brake and turn it. And then you also have your 2-wheel, your 4-wheel, and your 4-wheel lock. And then over here we do have our volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, tuner and browser, AC, circulation, temperature control, power off, auto, front and rear defrost. Then you do have your traction control down here, tone haul mode, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and the passenger heated seat. Some storage in there, and you do have your 3 cup holders with your armrest, doubles as a storage container. You got your coin holders as well as a aux cord and a USB plug-in. Then you can lift this guy up, and you got another seat under there. It does seat 6 people altogether. Plus you can lift this up, and you got some storage underneath there. You got your top and bottom layers as well for your glove boxes. Looking great. And then you have your universal garage door opener and your little window in the back. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you got that same chrome accenting on your handle. Control of your windows and a handle here. Looks great back here. The 2-tone seats are back here as well. Same material, feels great. You can lift these guys up, and you got some storage underneath there. As well, you can fold these guys down like this, and you got a flat surface to put stuff on top of. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2017 Ram 1500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.